Hi, good morning. My name is Andrea. I'm a 25-year-old student from Spain, and I'm filming this video because I would like to share my experience of Cambridge English Qualifications. I have taken 2 Cambridge English Qualification exams, B1 preliminary and the first certificate in English. And in a month, I'm going to take the advanced exam. I have always chosen Cambridge English Qualifications because of 2 main reasons. On one hand, because they are recognized worldwide, and I think that's a very important thing to keep in mind. And on the other hand, because of the importance the institution has, because the University of Cambridge is one of the best universities in the world, so they have an incredible history behind their recognition. About what I enjoyed the most, well, I can just think about one thing because I really like learning English, but if I have to stick just with one thing, I would say attending to classes, because my teacher is such a passionate about English language, so she makes you feel the same passion about learning English and about the language in general. I think that the benefits of taking multiple Cambridge English qualifications are the improvements you see on yourself. Maybe while you are preparing a particular exam, you may not realize how better your skills are now than they were before, but once you look back, you immediately notice how much of an improvement you have done. These qualifications have helped me a lot. I have studied medicine, and here in Spain, it is compulsory to have a B2 level before finishing your degree. So having the first certificate has helped me a lot. And furthermore, I studied 1 year abroad, and the first thing I was asked was about my English level. And talking about the future, I would love to continue my medical training in different countries. So I think that the main key to achieve that is to be confident enough in English. So I will keep learning English, and I will keep taking Cambridge English Qualifications until I have them all. So thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day. Bye.